What's up guys, welcome back into the channel. We are looking at ASTER today. Perpetual dexes have hit for the first time ever over $1 trillion worth of monthly volume. And yeah, we're looking at Hyperliquid, we're looking at ASTER, we're looking at the CZ Binance narrative because he's finally more bullish. Well, he has been for a while, let's be honest, on decentralized finance as opposed to CeFi. So, you know, there's been tons and tons of bureaucracy and red tape around what CZ can actually do and how he can operate and how he can play. So he has said many times before that we need more DeFi in the crypto space, more decentralized finance for this space to grow. Now, we know, I think ASTER at the time making this video is about $2.23. If you've been watching some of my videos, you already know that we got in basically around $1 region. So we're up 2x. ASTER in the multiple billions of dollars, but when you compare it to the Hyperliquid scape, which is like $40 and $15+ billion market capital, you know, a lot of people comparing this, and we could still see like a 7x here. So pioneering the next era of DEX, ASTER's Ask Me Anything key highlights. So we can see here basically looking at the decentralized trading, focus on execution, quality, order privacy, and trader control as the industry is shifting now from centralized exchanges to transparent on-chain venues. And it says, speaking at Cointelegraph, I was literally just at a Cointelegraph event over here in Singapore. That's where we are right now, just going for a little walk. Pretty nice here actually, just chilling, really trying to get some nature in. But yeah, it says here, speaking at Cointelegraph, AMA, ASTER CEO Leonard acknowledged that expectations for the project have risen sharply since launch. Now, I have never seen so much like exposure. I've never seen so much exposure for a single coin on X. You know, usually you see coins get pumped, you see them get shilled for a long time, but everyone, doesn't matter what little corner or sub niche or subcategory. Got this kid on a scooter about to crash into me. Hello. But we can see effectively we're seeing everyone talk about it. So it is becoming narrative. It is becoming a real big thing. So the ASTER coin is for me still a big play. Definitely bought a nice bag, have taken a little bit of profit around here at this resistance region, but I do think we are coded to see potentially $4, $8, maybe even $12 for the ASTER token. So yeah, don't know if you guys went to token 2049. If you did, let me know down below what you thought of the event. I personally thought it wasn't as exciting as last year, but just kind of looking through what's happening in the market right now. You know, we've got Bitcoin sitting at 122.7k, and you know, this month is typically known as October. October is typically a very, very bullish month in the cryptocurrency scene, and that's effectively what we are feeling now. That's what we're witnessing now. We might get this last strong quarter where we're going to see the market go parabolic. We've got 122.7k Bitcoin, 4.5k Ethereum, we've got $3 XRP, and when I click this 24-hour button, we can really see that a lot of altcoins are coming alive. We've got OKB, which is, I believe, an exchange with a big DEX narrative to it as well. That's just hit all-time high market cap. ASTER $2.24. We've got SPX up 8%, BNB. So we've got a lot of these coins up significantly. Now the thing is as well, guys, we also have to factor in the inflation over the last 4 years. We've got the total 3 market cap of crypto, which is the altcoins valuation, excluding Bitcoin, I believe, and Ethereum, or something like this. And we've also got the total 2 market capital of cryptocurrency exponentially rising, which is suggesting that altcoins are making a breakout. However, you know, fun fact, in September 2021, we know that altcoins were worth already around a similar amount as they are now. But factoring the inflation, of course, and you know, things aren't as impressive. So we're still battling against that inflation. Guys, please do also make sure you are signed up to MEXT. Link down below, get trading cryptos, do it on spot, do it on leverage, whatever you want. There will be some trading bonuses available for you guys if you do get yourself signed up. You can also join the alpha community group down below. Check out the Discord channel. We've got 43,000 members in here now. Check out the Patreon too if you want to get some early alpha insights and plays in the market at the same time. So yeah, I think ASTER is a huge narrative, and I think the DeFi scene will be a new big player. We're seeing a lot of stable coins. We're starting to see more heavy regulations. We are starting to see the dust settle a little bit more. I think Europe Other places need to catch up. America's really, you know, starting to have a decent sort of tunnel vision about what's happening with crypto, and of course Donald Trump is doing absolutely great things. Do subscribe to this video, guys. Do like the channel. We're just going to go for a little walk along this beach right here, and I want to also talk about some other coins that I'm actually kind of bullish on at the moment. So I'm going to shut off the phone side of things. We've spoken about ASTER. If you want to get ASTER, it's super easy to grab, by the way. You can literally sign up, like I say, MEXC, sign up, verify, hit the deposit button. You can use something like Apple Pay, Google Pay, go straight into the exchange, deposit in a few seconds, and then click spot and type in ASTER USDT, and you're going to find very, very quickly that you can buy some of this beautiful coins. So what other plays and tokens am I looking at, and what do I do in these particular times of, you know, because you get shaken out. We had September, which wasn't really the most interesting month. It wasn't really a red month, but it wasn't that famous kind of crash that we see, because Bitcoin is becoming a bit more rigid, right? It's becoming a bit more consolidative. Is that even a word? Blah, 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 blah. But all I know is we're not seeing these 30-40% corrections anymore, because as Bitcoin grows in size, we are seeing more stability with its trading price action through the trenches of euphoria, and I suppose, you know, also the fear. So which other coins? Aerodrome Finance right now I'm looking at, as well as the RB token. Of course, Ethereum at the same time. I think Ethereum is going to be a great play to keep looking at, keep stacking slowly. Of course, this is all long-term play. The best strategy is usually holding, guys. Trading is good, it can be fun, but building a diverse portfolio and holding those coins for a long period of time, that's truly what's going to help you guys actually have these life-changing portfolios for generational wealth. So yeah, pretty much RB at the moment, Ethereum, Aerodrome Finance, SU token. If we get a meme season, we might get lucky, and you know, I'm stacking just the normal kind of memes, like a PEPE coin, a tiny bit of Doge, tiny bit of Shiba, maybe a little bit of Brett, a little bit of Snack, just a few of those. But I think at the moment it's just time to wait and see what's going to happen in this market, because we have no idea how high this could go. Bitcoin, I reckon we'll see at least 140 to 160k Bitcoin by the end of the market. But you know, guys, you've got to be careful out there. Don't ape in just because someone is telling you to. But you know, for real, never underestimate the power of October in the crypto space. We know how this is. If you're new here, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know which coins you're buying for October, or which coins are exciting you right now. And we're just gonna go for a little 1-minute stroll here. I'm not gonna say anything, I'm gonna zip it now, but we'll just let you guys see some scenery as we're walking through the East Coast Park of Singapore right now. Yeah, it's about a wrap, guys. As you can see, you know, Singaporeans work extremely hard. Weekends, a good chunk of their time off, and they like to hang out with their families and come to the beach, enjoy the nature. All right, keep hustling, guys. Keep trading, stay strong, and you know, blockchain is the future. Let's not forget. See you soon.